She's looking pretty good. What's up everybody and welcome to the channel. Today I am at Autoback, which is right there. And it's early in the morning. It's just after Christmas. It's about the 26th of December. And I'm taking this car in because we're gonna get a rear view camera installed. We already got the racks put in, as you can see. And I have an update, a very sad update for you all. How do I begin? Let's begin this way. What's up everybody, welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me and thank you so much for the over, what do I have now, 2,400 subscribers. That's pretty insane that you guys want to watch me. I don't think you want to watch me, I think you want to watch the content of the channel. But I'm trying to get somewhere quiet as I just dropped off the Red Dragon and maybe we'll head that way towards the Ferris wheel. But we'll get somewhere quiet so we can talk. So the first thing I want to say is, yeah, you know, I was working on my 1-year update on Fantasy. For those of you who aren't familiar, I ended up selling my car that I bought here in Okinawa and buying a Hi-Ace, 1996 Hi-Ace van through Goo Net Exchange through my main man, Ken. And we actually, I got through the auction. I got this crazy van that was really inexpensive and really in great condition. And I just had to just slap another coat of paint on it and it was fine. And you can see here that it's you can watch the video actually. I'll put the video link right up here so you can watch that. It was actually a really cool van. Now, as I was working on my 1-year update, I took my son to soccer, we won the game, and on the way home, we got rear-ended. So we don't believe that the guy braked at all. He hit us at about 35 miles an hour. So a lot of my family, you know, we were shaken up a little bit. And I have some video from the accident scene because that's what I do. So I'll give you some video here. And you can see that, it's pretty, it looks minor on the back of the van. You can see like it's pushed in, the bumper is smashed, the back door is welded in now. I mean, it's smashed in, I can't open it up. And also you can see on the side, and I'll try to put arrows here, where you can see where the side buckled a little bit. And that's the main concern right now, is the buckling. Because if they can't straighten that out, then they're gonna have to put a whole new side panel on, meaning they take the whole side of the van off and put a new one on. And I'm hoping that they can straighten it, but if not, a new panel wouldn't be bad either way. So my son was fine, my back was killing me, my wife got transported. You know, it was just a really dangerous and scary thing for us to get rear-ended like that. So I'm grateful that all EMS showed up and everybody was very, very helpful. The Japanese police and the Okinawan people came out to see if we were okay. I mean, it was a pretty hard hit. It's a very hard impact. It doesn't look like much, but you can see the other guy's car. Look at this. Now, all his airbags went off, and he, I think, started the windshield, got transported to the hospital right away. He was in the hospital for what I believe is a week, and he, well, his insurance is taking care of everything. So, but they also called me to make sure I was okay, and it was actually very, very nice. Like I said, the Okinawan people here are crazy nice. They came running out of their homes and just making sure that everything was okay. One guy grabbed my arm, "Are you fine?" "Okay, okay." And you know, we're trying to translate back and forth. Then the military police showed up and everyone was just really made this process very, very smooth and very, very helpful. So other than that, unfortunately, that's me, there we go. So I got rear-ended standing at a light with my wife and son, and they're okay for the most part. And so rear-ended in Okinawa. He hit me pretty hard too. Be safe out there in the rain, guys. All right, so here's where we are, Ichizen Auto Body Repair. So hopefully they can get Fantasy back up and running. They can fix her up really good. Hopefully they don't have to replace too many panels. Maybe they can just pull one of the panels out, but as you can see, it's a pretty nice size operation. I'm filming on my phone because I didn't bring any of my GoPro stuff, and they are taking a look at my van to see if they can fix it. They just discovered another wrinkle in the side of it that the accident caused, which kind of sucks, but I mean, it's a pretty good body. Here's the waiting room, and you got your TV back there. You can see back down there, but here I'll peek around the corner so you guys can see. They're looking at the van, and I'll come around here. Hopefully they can see this. Hopefully I don't fall through the floor here. Oh, actually they took the van. It's not there anymore. So they took so they took the van somewhere. I'm not sure where they went with it, but I'll come back and see where they took it, because I'm not sure. So you can see here they're a lot of work. This is a nice little Delica right here that's getting repaired. It's a crazy rack setup they got. It's nice. And so they do all kinds of body work, all kinds of stuff for cars here. I don't know where my van is, but hopefully it'll turn up soon. They do a lot of cabs too. These cabs are really cool. Let me back up so you can see it, because the cell phone isn't doing it justice. Look at that. Those cabs are pretty slick, and they're all Toyotas, so you know they're gonna last forever. You know, the one thing you can say about these auto body shops, normally in the States, there's all kinds of big cars and stuff, but as you can see, the Japanese cars are small, so you can fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's one around the corner. There's one being painted. Oh, let's check that out. Very cool. That guy was just checking his texts. Just checking his text messages. Everything's cool. I'll be home for dinner as soon as I finish painting this little Suzuki. He took my van. I thought it was there, but it's not. It's actually right there. It's behind the trees. Can you see it? Can you see the silhouette of greatness right over there? Let's see if we can creep up on him. Hope he doesn't get mad. So there's the van. And you can see right there is, it's the good side of the van. So everything there is really good. And you can't see any damage because, actually you can see a little bit of damage. Let me zoom in here. Again, I'm using my cell phone. So you can see like the bumper is a little separated because the impact was on the other side, was on the passenger side, the rear side. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna put this video together, but definitely bringing my GoPro next time because the cell phone's terrible. But as you can see, he's taking pictures of everything right there. We're kind of being sneaky and making sure that everything's good. But now that it's sunlight out, let me see if I can show you the damage without him getting too pissed off. The damage on Fantasy, you can see at the bottom, he hit me pretty head on. He did not brake. There were no brake marks whatsoever. When I put it up on the lift today, I saw that it had, the muffler was pushed back a little bit, so he just shortened the muffler, but otherwise everything else looks okay. They're putting tape and stuff on things that need to be repaired, as you can see the little marks there. They cracked my taillight. Let me come around here and you can see how it's just really nabbed up. But let me show you from this angle, which I didn't see before. So if you look down the side of the van, can you see that right there, how it wrinkles in? Let me focus on that. It wrinkles in. So I'm hoping they can fix it. So it wrinkles in right here where it says Living Saloon. And then if you look over here, you can really see it. It wrinkles in here, but then it also wrinkles in over there, which I did not see until he pointed it out to me. So it's where the tape is. It kind of wrinkles. You can kind of see the arch. That's not supposed to be there. So then we go to the front of the van, and when he hit me really hard, I think he was going about 30 miles an hour. He hit me hard. He banged me into a car that was in front, and a little old lady. She was 100 years old. I'm so glad that she wasn't hurt. You can see where the bumper is coming apart. It kind of didn't do much to the door. I think the door is okay. I think the bumper's just wedged back there. And then the headlight, you can see the space between the headlight there and just the cracking and everything. But it, you know, my lights didn't crack, so that's kind of cool. Not too much damage, just maybe a new bumper, or maybe they fix that one, who knows. But Fantasy is down, friends. Fantasy is down. She's a trooper, but she's looking sad. I don't know. Hopefully they're able to fix it. You can really see, let me focus in on this. You can really see the dent there. I call it a wrinkle, the wrinkle. Just sad day in Okinawa for Fantasy. And you know what the funny part is, because I was gonna do a 1-year update on the van, what I've spent on it, which really hasn't been a lot. So yeah, and I'm sure that earlier in this video I showed you exactly what I paid for this van in repairs or maintenance, and then this happened. So not a great day for me. Really, I'm really sad. I really love this van, and I'm really sad. you know. And one of the funny things that happened with the accident, and let me just get the van behind me so you can see it. One of the funny things that happened during the accident was that my wife, I love that woman, my wife looked at me and she says, "Oh my God, the van. We just got hit at 30 miles an hour, but she's fine." But the fact that she looked at me and she says, "Oh my God, your van," that's love, gentlemen. Find yourself a woman like that. Find yourself a woman that loves what you love, and you will be happy for the rest of your life. She looks at me and she says, "Oh my God, your van, you love this van." I'm like, I love you too. You know, we're not mutually exclusive, me and the van, you know. I like to drive around, if you know what I'm saying. So I said, you know, "Honey, forget about the van, it's fine." But in my heart, I was agreeing with her. Oh my God, my van. But anyway, this is a side that doesn't have any damage, so it still looks pretty good. And well, what are we gonna do? I will keep you guys updated on what's going on with Fantasy throughout the whole process. The next video will probably be me dropping it off and probably getting a rental car, and whatever they give me should be pretty interesting. So maybe we'll do a video on that truck as well, or car, whatever they give me. And thank you guys for watching. Over 2,400 subscribers. Are you guys really that bored that you're watching me here in Okinawa? I think that's funny, but okay, whatever. And I will see you guys next video. Remember, if you know anybody active, military, or spouse, give them, well, you got to give them a thumbs up, because you can't give them a hug or a handshake because of COVID. And again, I'll see you guys next video. A sad day for Fantasy. Hopefully she'll get fixed up, and I'll give you guys an update next video. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for subscribing. It means a lot to me. We are all safe. Everybody's good. And talk to you soon.